Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. I know it's like almost February, but yeah, it's been a while since I posted, and there's basically two reasons for that. One, Christmas orders. It gets crazy busy at Christmas time. The second reason, hold on. Give me 1 second here. The second reason is because I'm pregnant. Yeah. Baby number 3 is on the way, due sometime near the end of March. We're super excited, and I'm also extremely tired. So between the busyness of Christmas orders and throwing up, I haven't had a chance to make any videos. But we're back. I've got a bunch of videos planned for the next couple of weeks, and we've got a ton of new subscribers since my last video. So thank you for subscribing, for watching my videos. I'm just gonna do a quick intro again for everybody who doesn't know me. My name is Helene, and I run Springbok Craft Company with my husband Ben. I primarily make leather goods, and I've been doing it since 2017. I love sharing my love of crafting with people, so that's where YouTube comes in. And I'm not an expert by any means. Like, I've got so much to learn. The only thing I'm an expert at is oh yeah, the gun chasing the bunny. And switch. Woo! I could do this all day. Try it. It's not as easy as it looks. Anyways, what am I doing? What day is it? Right. We are going to make these cute little plant hangers. And we're gonna do it the CRICUT. Pretty cute. If you don't have a CRICUT, you can hand cut these. It's a pain, but you can definitely do it. Or if you have a laser cutter, you can also laser cut this. As usual, the pattern will be free. I'm also selling a set of SVGs, slight variations of this, on our Etsy shop. So if you want to support our channel, file will only be a few dollars. Anyways, we will get started on this project, and hopefully by the end of it, you have one of these cute little leather hangers. Woo! Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need a strong grip mat. You're also gonna need some leather. This is a 6-ounce oil tanned leather. I'll also be cutting one pattern in veg tan just to see the difference. This is roughly a 10 by 10 piece. The pattern itself is 8 by 8, but you can resize it to whatever you'd like. You're also gonna need the CRICUT knife blade to cut through leather, and you're gonna need some transfer tape to keep your strong grip mat clean. You're also gonna need masking tape to secure the piece of leather to the mat. So we're gonna just do this veg tan piece. This is 6-ounce veg tan. We're gonna go ahead and cut this now. I'm gonna select the tooling leather, the 4 to 5 ounce setting in Design Space. I find that the 6 to 7 ounce, it actually calls for about 16 passes, which is a bit overkill. I find that you could probably, with 6-ounce leather, get around 6 passes. And the more passes there are, the more likely that the leather's gonna peel off and it's gonna start being inaccurate. For example, this is one that I cut earlier. Here, you can kind of see that going over it a few times, it started to shift a little bit and it wasn't cutting in the right spot. I don't know if you can see that there, but you can see double lines. The more passes, there's more chance that things are just gonna go poorly. So I would select the tooling leather 4 to 5 ounce. You can stop it whenever. So if you really want, you can always start with the 6 to 7 ounce and then pause it and stop it. Again, make sure your star rollers are all the way to the ends, or else it will definitely 100% jam. Okay, and you also want to make sure when you cut your leather that it's no more than 11 inches wide, because you see this takes up about a 1/4 inch on here. So you don't want these to go over the leather. One, it'll damage the leather, but also it's gonna jam. that was 6 passes and took about 15 minutes. That cut pretty well. You might want to go through these edges and sand it down to give it a nicer finished look. You can even burnish these. I would recommend doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and punch some holes here so that we can thread leather lace through here and turn it into a hanger. Okay. Okay, so using a leather hole punch, I punched these holes and then I'm going to thread some leather lace through them. Just a little bit of cleanup here on these edges. And now we can see what it kind of looks like. Okay, so I went and punched some holes through here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thread this through here. So there you go. They're pretty cute. I'll be providing this one, the regular circle one, for free. So that will be in the link in the description below. A free SVG to cut this. Again, these are cut on 6-ounce leathers. I wouldn't recommend much thinner than this. I don't know how well that would hold up over time. These aren't the strongest plant hangers in the world, but they're pretty strong. Like if you yank on them, they're not gonna break. And if you want bigger versions or chunkier versions, again, the link to that will be in the description below. It'll be a few dollars and it'll go to supporting our channel. They also double as really cool hats. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you end up making this plant hanger or hat, please tag me on Instagram at Springbok Craft Co. I love seeing what you guys make. So all my best and God bless. Really cool. Oh, look at that. The possibilities are endless.